This is our new beer-to-beer machine that has different setups. I'm going to explain the first one, the highest denomination first. $100 beer will break into five $20 beers on this setup. You insert the $100 beer, tells you, and then it tells you that it gives you 5 pieces of beers. At this time, obviously, $20 beers. This machine is set up for 100 into 20, but imagine this is a $5 beer. It's still gonna give you 5 pieces of beer. This time, because I filled it with singles, 5 singles. This would also work with a credit card reader like this that already has the holes cut out in the back for convenience. Right in front of the bill acceptor that works like this.
It holds about 400 to 500 bills.
So this is the note dispenser. It holds 100 pieces of any denomination money. And this time it was 20s because that's the only thing we used, breaking into 100 into 20s. And this is the setup where you set up what kind of money you want to accept and what kind of money you want to come out. To load the money, you pull this back and automatically loads, and it dispenses it right here to there. So the bill acceptor could be configured into any kind of acceptance, singles, 5s, 10s, 20s, 50s, 100s, or not accepting some or accepting all. This time we're not accepting anything but the $100 bill because we're dispensing only $20 bills. But it could be configured any other version, let's say only accepting 20s and dispensing singles, only accepting 100s but dispensing singles, any of the configuration, or accepting, let's say 20s, 50s, and 100s and only dispensing singles. There's 3 basic programming on it. One is accepting one kind of bill, dispensing another kind of bill. The other, accepting more than one kind of bills, dispensing one kind of bill. And the third one is accepting any of your configuration and dispensing, let's say, a difference. Meaning, let's say you go to a car wash and the car wash costs $12 and you put in a 20, it's going to dispense the difference, 8 single dollar bills.
For more information, please contact XCP Corporation, 352-678-3021, or drop us a line at sales@xcpcorp.com. Thank you for watching our video.
How long that ended up?